Hi, I'm Marna, and I found some Barbie clothes that if you have Barbie or if you have children that have Barbie dolls, you know how expensive the clothing can be. I found these 4 outfits at the Dollar Tree, $1 each. I have seen this particular outfit for far more money than that. And I thought we'd do a little get the Barbies out. These are not going to fit the traditional Barbies, but I'm wondering if they will fit the curvy Barbie or even Ken. Some of these look like they were made for Ken. This one will fit the traditional Barbie. We'll get her out. And then I have these 2 outfits for Ken. And I thought we'd try them on curvy Barbie also, that I got off eBay. I want to say they were about $1. Okay, I did some dressing and fooling around with the clothes, and this is what I found out. The little fashion doll outfit came with shoes and purse, the little capris and the little shirt. Not only did it fit well, it came with the form-fitted shirt holder, which a lot of people pay for these to put their Barbie doll clothes back up so they look nice when they come out. This I'm very pleased with. It went on well. It had Velcro in the back. The pants went right on. Now, will they fit every Barbie? That's the whole point of this review, is to show there are so many different sizes. I would highly recommend this though, and it's really cute. Like I said, shoes and a purse. Now the actual Barbie clothes that came in the Barbie box, the golfer's outfit went on the curvy Barbie, but she's going to need to get back on that exercise bike because none of the clothing fit her, none of the pants fit her. It's cute though, and from the front, it's fine. I know those curvy Barbie outfits in even Walmart are $15, $17 again. These 3 outfits that came from the Dollar Tree in the actual Mattel Barbie packaging will fit the more narrow built Kens. They did not fit the more stout, muscular built Ken. The shirts would fit, the pants would not. So that's what we found. All of these 3 items fit the more narrow Ken. I did want to add that the Mattel Barbie doll clothes are really made nicely. Even the golfer's shorts have Velcro on the back, and the shirts, all of them, have Velcro all the way up and down, which is pretty good. And the little doctor's outfit and the pizza one have elastic at the waist, as well as, now you hear my puppy, has Velcro all the way up and down the shirt. And then they have these cute little accessories with them. So, I mean, really worth $1, but they have to be for the right doll. Now these outfits I left on. Both of these outfits will fit the more narrow Ken. These are the eBay outfits. The thicker Ken, this is what you got. The pants just won't come all the way up. The shirt won't hook. But for the more narrow Ken doll, they will fit. The leather outfit, again, or leather pants, they're too short for my liking, but all the same. This shirt has the nice Velcro all the way up and all the way down, which I was surprised, and Velcro on the pants. I think for the money and the right doll, it's a great buy. But you need to know when you're buying these dolls, the thicker the doll, the taller the doll, the less likely you're going to find clothes, and especially for a good deal. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. Tell us what you have found on trying to dress the thicker Barbies and the thicker Kens. Please subscribe and drop a like.